Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy. If you are new, today's video will be an eyebrow tutorial. So this will be the simplest foolproof eyebrow tutorial you have ever seen. But before we get started, if you've just stumbled across my channel, I encourage you to subscribe, like and share these videos and be part of the Joy gang by turning on the notification bell. So without further ado, let's get into this eyebrow tutorial. For the easiest eyebrow application, I suggest you go for a product that you find easiest to use. For example, you could choose to have an eyebrow gel, and this is the Benefit Brow Eyebrow Gel, and this is in the number 5, or you could choose a pencil. So I have this pencil by Anastasia Beverly Hills, but I also have my Davis pencil in number 3 that I tend to also gravitate towards. Another thing you need to have is an angled brush, and this will be very nice for you to apply the product. Also, you could have, and this is a I think this is a Mark 212 brush. And this one is also good for concealing your eyebrows and just defining your brows. And last but not least, this is my overused MAC brow gel. So you can have a brow gel to help you set your brows. Last but not least, you definitely need concealer. So I have this MAC, and this is in the NW40. So using an angled brush, I'm just going to go into the eyebrow gel, and I'll put it like on both sides of the brush, and then scrape off a little bit. And this is just to make sure that my brush is completely covered in the product, so it's easy to apply. Then I'll just start with the lower part of my eyebrow, starting from the inner corner, and I just make strokes, hair-like strokes, in the direction that my eyebrow hairs grow. And don't worry if you sort of like color out of the lines, we'll clean this up and you can have your desired shape. I choose to go all the way as if my eyebrow and my wing liner will meet. And then for the top, I don't start here, I start where my hairs are. This brow of mine has got very sparse hair, but that is the purpose of makeup. So I just go up, then do my little out, and once I've done that, I just start to go in with the brush, filling in, you know, the rest of the brow or the brow with the strokes. Don't forget feather-like strokes. You don't want to go drawing, so just be gentle. And the secret to perfecting how to do your brows is to just practice. And then when I come to the front part, I'm taking the hairs up, like that. Then using the spoolie that is on the eyebrow pencil, I'll just brush my hair up so that I can blend the product into my brow, so that the line is not like a defined line that it's so obvious that I applied something on my eyebrows. You gotta confuse these people. Confuse them. Now please remember, you can use whatever concealer you have. It does not need to be a MAC concealer. You can use a more affordable option like the LA Girl Pro Conceal. You can use Black Opal, you can use Sleek, you can use Colourpop. Any concealer will do the job. So with a little bit of concealer on the brush, I'll just go underneath my brows and I apply it and drag it down. To blend the concealer, I sometimes use my beauty blender and sometimes I just use my hands, especially like if I'm going to the office, and I drag it down so that I can still use the same concealer as a base for my eyeshadow. But this side always looks better. So, you know, some people like to go on the top part of their brow with concealer. I don't like to do that. So what I do instead is when I'm applying my foundation, I'll just line the top part of my brow with my foundation, just so that it blends seamlessly. However, just before I set my brow using the brow gel, I like to go in with a powder like this one here, and this is my face powder with the same beauty blender, and I just use this to set my brow. And do you guys have a favorite brow? If you have a favorite brow, please comment below and let me know so that I know I'm not alone. I like this one more than this one. This one never backfires, but this one. So to finish off, I'll just go in with the brow gel. And this will just ensure that my eyebrows stay in place the whole day. And that's it, guys. That's my simple eyebrow tutorial. I really hope you learned something from this video. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. So if you have enjoyed this video, like it, and I will see you in another makeup video tomorrow. Bye bye, guys.